In this video, we're going to learn how to insert figure and table captions in Microsoft Word. Now, I know it's tempting to just type out captions under your images or tables, but using Word's built-in caption tool is far more efficient. Why? Because the caption numbers update automatically as you add more figures or tables. No more manual adjustments. Alright, let's get started. First, just right-click on the figure or table that you want to caption. Choose Insert Caption from the pop-up menu. This opens up the Caption dialog box. If you prefer, you can also go to the References tab at the top of your screen and click Insert Caption. Super easy, right? Choosing the right label and position. Now, in the Caption dialog box, you'll see a few options. Click the Label menu to select what you're working with. Figure, table, equation. The best part? Word keeps the numbering separate for each type, so your figures are numbered one way and your tables are numbered another. Next, you can pick where the caption goes. For figures, it's usually below the item. For tables, it's generally above the item. Most of the time, the default setting is just right. Want a custom label? If you want to be a bit more creative, you can actually add your own label. Just click New Label and type in whatever you like. Maybe you want it to say illustration instead of figure. Hit OK and you're set. If you want to switch things up with the numbering, click Numbering in the Caption dialog box. You can change the style to numbers, letters, or even Roman numerals. You can also choose to include chapter number if your document is structured that way. Once you're happy with it, click OK. Type your caption right after the label and number. And just like that, your caption is set and ready. Here's the best part. When you add more figures or tables, Word updates the numbering for you. If you move things around, just right-click the caption and select Update field to refresh it. And that's it. You now know how to easily insert and manage figure and table captions in Microsoft Word. It's simple, clean, and makes your document look so much more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more super useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.